What if there was an easy way to take shots like this, or simply like this? No matter if it's with a phone or a camera, with super quick adjustments, and get the angle that you need every single time. Let's check it out. Hey, let's talk about Edelkrone's Creator Essentials bundle. Today I'm going to tell you about the different parts of this bundle that Edelkrone put together. This will make it easier for you as a content creator, be it with your cell phone or with the camera or with an action camera or whatever you're using. And this will allow for things like POV, bird view, top down, different awkward angles sometimes, because as creators, sometimes we need to position our camera in a very specific way. And this is a way for you to achieve that in the easiest possible manner. Let's check it out. Let's start with the phone clip kit. This is a kit that will allow you to position your phone in a variety of different positions. The first thing you're going to need is the phone clip itself. The phone clip is this little box here, this little tool made of metal that has a mount at the bottom, so you can put it on any tripod from the Edelkrone kit as well. And you can unfold it like so in a variety of different angles and positions. As you can see, it is very flexible, but it has this interesting shape, the S shape in it. And that's how you change the angle for the different accessories. First accessory I want to talk about is the magnetic mount that I have right here. So the way you use this is you simply screw it at the bottom like so. And this is going to go on a metallic surface. So you could put this on your fridge, you could put this on a heater, on a pole, on a car, on whatever is metallic, and that is going to hold your phone in whatever angles you need to use it. The way this clip works is very simple. You have a little button that you push on it, and that's gonna basically mount on your phone. So you want to put it like so. And this is going to hold your phone either in portrait mode or you can put it in horizontal mode. Now the phone that I'm using here is an iPhone 16 Plus, so it's the bigger version of the iPhones. Plus it has a mouse case on it. Even like that, the clip is capable of holding it without an issue. I was kind of surprised at that because as you can see, it doesn't move, it doesn't budge. So this is me showing you the heaviest, the biggest model of iPhone. I mean, now we have the 17 Pro Max, but in terms of size and weight, we're very similar. Next up, we have the action cam adapter. The cool thing about these adapters is that you can mount them on the same clip, so this phone clip that I have here, and it works the exact same way. You press the button, you put it on, and there you go. Now you're ready to use it. And as you can tell, you can shake it. This is not going to move because there's anti-slippery little pads on the clip. Now, this is cool because it works across platforms. And what I mean by that is later I'm going to tell you about the actual stands from Edelkrone, but this can be put on a stand like so. You can screw it on it and you can use it with this or with the bigger professional stand. And that makes things very cool because it basically makes everything compatible. You could also use this on a regular tripod, for example. You could screw it, mount it on your tripod and put it at whatever height you need. You could do a top-down bird view like so. There's many possibilities. The possibilities are infinite, really. Next up, we have the cold shoe mount. You can also use it with, once again, the phone clip. And this is how it works. You just put this on. You will want to put your phone on it like so. You put this on your cold shoe and then you have a BTS camera on top of your camera. Or you could use this as a false color monitoring, as your exposure monitor for your camera or whatever else. And you have it right on top of your camera. Very simple. Again, to take it off, you just press like so, take it off and you're good to go. Then there is the light cam adapter. What the light cam adapter does, very simply, again, you have your clip here, your phone clip. So you will want to clip this on it. You can place your camera, for example, a Leica Deluxe 8 or a Ricoh GR3, GR4, like something smaller. You put it on like so, and you can mount this on any tripod, any stand, and I'm gonna again tell you more about the stands in just a moment. And last but definitely not least, the cap mount. This little mount here allows you to mount it on a cap, as its name indicates. So you can unfold it like so. You clip it on your cap right here, very simple. And when you put it on, you have your phone in front of you. So you can put it obviously in whatever orientation you want. You can put it in portrait mode or horizontal mode, and here you go. That is a way for you to get a nice POV showing what you're doing. This works on flat caps, but it also works on curved caps. And it is a neat accessory for those that wear caps or that need to have their hands free. This Creator Essential bundle is great because you're gonna get everything related to phone accessories, and you will get everything you need to start creating your content. Let's talk about the FlexTILT Prime. This is part of the bundle, and it is very compact, as you can see. It takes no space, but when you open it up, you will get a beautiful stand. And that stand allows you to do a lot of cool things. And then what you can do is simply tilt it however you want. And in fact, it's called Flex Tilt because you can flex it and you can tilt it the way you want. I'm gonna show you with my X-T3 from Fuji how it looks. And now you can change the angle to shoot however you want. You can go up, down, tilt it up like so. And you can basically change the angles as you prefer. You can fix the resistance of the joint by using the little Allen key that's provided magnetically in it like so, and make it more or less tight. I made them really tight because I want to make sure that they don't move when I'm recording or when I'm taking a photo, but you can make it less tight depending on the weight of your camera and the angle you're going to be shooting at. Another cool feature of this FlexTILT Prime little stand is that you can mount it easily on a tripod. So you remove the tripod head, you put this instead, and you can use this at whatever angle, but also at higher heights. All right, now we have a regular tripod, and what I did here is I put it at a bird's eye view, like so. Look how far you can get from your tripod and still be able to hold your camera top down. So if you were to work with something and you just want to show that product, you can do it very, very easily. It does what a tripod cannot do. There are faster tripods out there. Yes, nowadays there are those tripods that open in a fraction of a second, and that is great. But when you have to start doing other things, such as top down, top like so, or just change the angle quickly, look around, and change whatever settings you need to change on your camera quickly, even just the micro adjustments. This is very, very convenient. For example, product photography, food photography, or anything where you need to be at a specific angle and you need your camera to stay right there, then this is probably the best solution I found so far for a stand. And now the StandPLUS Pro. This is originally why I reached out to Edelkrone, because this little stand here is an easy way to take bird view, top down angles when you're shooting, when you're recording, for example, unboxings, or when you're recording yourself, or when you want to show something that you're doing with a more professional camera and you need something a little bit more rugged. This is the stand you will need. Let me show you. And I thought the best way to show you this stand is to just show you. Okay, that's how we're gonna go about this. So there's a little space here to put your thumb or your finger, and all you have to do, really look how effortless it is. Click, okay? Now you have your stand ready to go. The next thing you do is you put your foot here, put your knee on this part, and you just pull it up like so. Now I have a Sony a7S III on it right now with a little Samyang 24mm T1.9. So it works great. Now this is the Pro stand, by the way. You have a lighter version that can take lighter cameras on it, but I wanted to have the Pro version in case I want to put my Leica SL3S, I want to put a Sony camera or anything that's a little bit heavier. Now, as you can tell here, it is really easy to operate. You put it in a position, it stays that way. And now you can turn it however you want to. You can push it up, down, tilt it. You could even do this right here to get a top-down bird view. And this is the main reason why I wanted to have this stand, is to make life easier when I need to record something from the top down. So imagine you have a table right here. All you have to do really is pull it up, put it in whatever position you want to, like so, and once you're good to go, you can start recording and you can show whatever you're showing, and it's actually very, very simple. Having top-down view can become a hustle. There are different solutions out there, but I found this to be a perfectly workable solution that does the job the way I want it to be done, and that will avoid me having to do complicated setups every time, having things that move around and shake and so forth. Overall, the build quality of this stand is amazing. It really feels sturdy. The handle, the stand itself is not that heavy. I thought it would be heavier, but it is not that heavy. And you can put it under, like they promote on the website, under a couch, for example, or under a little shelf, or put it in the corner, or put it anywhere, because it folds nicely and it becomes very small. Now, another configuration I want to show you is using the FlexTILT Prime along with the stand. So this can turn this way, okay? Infinitely. Once you have it mounted, it turns around and it moves. So let's say that I want to use this for a top shot. So you could do this and then really set your camera the way you want. Now you can see if I do this here, sometimes it tends to go down. You just have to tighten these knobs a little bit to make it all nice and sturdy. There you go. And now you can record at whatever angle, whatever direction, very, very easily. You could also just change the height of your stand like so. And there you go. Change the direction. Let's say you want to record this way. You see, you can even tilt, move, everything moves basically with this stand. And you can have the angle you're looking for right away without fiddling around. And I think this is very comfortable. This concludes my Edelkrone Essentials bundle. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. If you have any question, I'll answer it as soon as possible and gladly. And I see you in my next video. Don't hesitate to subscribe if you like my content. And I see you in my next video. Take care. Cheers.